In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Clearpay in shops. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the latest version of the Clearpay mobile app, you are signed into your account with everything verified and ready to go, you will be able to browse through any of the online stores or retailers available inside of the app, and also you can use your Clearpay card to make purchases in store. In this video, I'm going to assume that you already know how to use Clearpay online, so I'm going to teach you how to use Clearpay for payments in store or in shops. What you have to do to properly set up your Clearpay account so you can make installment-free payments on any items that you purchase in store or in shops is to switch over to the In-Store tab that you can find on the menu at the bottom of your screen. In there, you will find your Clearpay card, you will see the balance available for you to spend using it, and if you haven't already set up the card, you will get the option to do so. Setting up the Clearpay card is a very straightforward process. Tap Setup and this will redirect you to a digital wallet. You need to use a digital wallet alongside the Clearpay card to properly use Clearpay in shops. So after you add your Clearpay card to a digital wallet, for example, the Apple Wallet, you will be able to use the option at the top, Pay in Store, input the amount, and then split the payments however you wish. As long as the card is attributed to a digital wallet and you can make contactless payments using your phone, the Clearpay card is going to be used as the source of the payment. So that's all you have to do. Just make sure that the Clearpay card is attributed to a digital wallet, for example, the Apple Wallet, and after you use your phone to make contactless payments by putting it near the card reader or the machine that is going to take the payments, you will have successfully used Clearpay as a payment method for any purchases that you make. All the payments for whatever you chose to purchase will be available for you to manage in your account page on the latest version of the app afterwards. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Clearpay in shops. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.